Hi, my name is Mlu. I work at Smiths as a Millwright in Plant 2. What they normally say, a Millwright is jack of all trades but master of none. Because you do have electrical, you do have mechanical at school, but here at work, like you do everything to your fullest ability, should I say, you do it to 100%. So that's what a Millwright does. He fixes, he fixes and maintains all the machines. The experience that you need to become as a Millwright, firstly, you need to have your ends. It's either it's your electrical or your mechanical, since it's a double trade, if I may say, because you're combining electrical and mechanical. I started working for maintenance as an artisan aide. Then an opportunity arises, and then I applied for that post, which was an apprenticeship. And lucky, they took me as an apprentice. Then I started doing my apprentice up until I qualified as a Millwright. It requires someone who thinks out of the box. Days are not the same, I won't lie to you. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard. So it's like a roller coaster. But if you are dedicated, it's easy because you know and you put your mind set to what is expected of you. Maybe let's say in future you want to be a good engineer. So Millwright is a foundation for you, because firstly you need to understand how the machine works, then you'll be able to fix it. Now for you, if you want to be an engineer, it will be much more easy for you because you will understand all the principles and all the rules that is required by a machine, and at the end of the day you get a good quality product. Most importantly, guys, it's your attitude, your mindset. You need to be someone who's dedicated and willing to go an extra mile. What I love about my job is being dirty. Because when I was young, my mom used to beat me up when I was dirty. As you can see, going under the machines, all that stuff. Like you see, when I go home like this, hey, I will get a beating. Nice and strong. So I got that opportunity now. Now you can't tell me anything.